Roasted chana laddu.
Half cup of jaggery. 1 cup of roasted chana. 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds. 1 tsp of ghee. Heat pan and add ghee. Add jaggery. Mix and cook on low flame. Stir continuously. At this point, check its consistency. Jaggery should hold shape. Add fennel seeds. Add roasted chana. Mix them well. Cook for 2 minutes. Flame should be low. Turn off flame. Let it cool for 2 minutes. Apply water to palms and start preparing lettuce. Tasty and delicious lettuce are ready. Enjoy this healthy lettuce in winter. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.